The pharmaceutical formulations or the drug products are made up of active pharmaceutical ingredients and excipients. Also, the packaging components are there. I welcome all the viewers to this video on inactive ingredient database IID and the inactive ingredient guide, that is IIG, to understand the basic about this IIG and IID. As the drug product is made up of active pharmaceutical ingredient and the raw materials, so each raw material should also be safe for the use and its level should be defined. So how you will know about the safe level of these excipients? And that's why we need to use or refer the IIG limits and the IID database. These limits are provided by the US FDA, and the formulations should use or the formulation should contain the excipients or raw materials as per the defined ranges, so that the formulation can be said to have safety. Let's start with the introduction about this IIG and IID video. The contents of this video are: what is an inactive ingredient, what is the purpose of IID, what is maximum potency, active versus inactive, cache number, what are the database, what is an active ingredient, how to use IID, what is maximum daily exposure and what is maximum potency, what are contaminants, cache numbers, UNI numbers, and updates on the database. So what is an inactive ingredient? Simply you can say that it is a raw material, or you can say it is a excipient. As per the US FDA, CFR, any component of the drug product other than the active ingredient. That means these are the raw materials or components other than the API or the drug substance. These are called as the inactive ingredients. Database includes only the inactive in final formulation. Whenever you visit the IIG database or IID database, to know the inactive ingredient level, you will get the inactive levels to be used in the final formulation. Now, what is an active ingredient? As inactive ingredient is the component or raw material other than the API, it does not have any therapeutic activity. The active ingredient is any component intended to furnish the pharmacological activity or the other direct effect. It includes components transformed during manufacture. Then, purpose of the IID, inactive ingredient database. What is the purpose? The purpose of IID is it is a catalog of inactives used in the pharmaceuticals and in the FDA approved products. It provides support to the formulation development. It helps in formulation R&D and regulatory review. Future reviews, once used, approved, future reviews of the same route or and the formulations are streamlined. So once the formulation is approved with the specific level of the excipient, it will serve as a basis for the future limits. How to use the IID? You should visit the IID database. Once you go there, enter the required name of the raw material. You can enter at least 3 characters of the ingredient name. For example, you want to search lactose, put lactose. It will give you list of the lactose components like monohydrate, anhydrous, and many others. So out of those, you can select the lactose grade you are using or you are going to use, or you want to study, or you want to know the level of what type of lactose. then sort the results. So go to ingredient, route of administration. You can sort by dosage form also, route of administration also, and then derive the current approved labeling from the database. Key field, that is maximum potency. So you will get the maximum potency terminology there. It is the excipient amount, highest unit dose amount of the excipient in the approved products. Dosage form, it will provide you the dosage form shown per dosage form, that is mg per unit or percent for the topical formulations, and it get updated as per the required updation timelines. It is dynamic updates are there. Updates when higher levels are approved. So once the higher level is approved, it will come into the database. Then maximum daily exposure or MD. So MD is as per the maximum daily dose, excipient per unit dose into maximum units per day. For example, you are using 100 mg of lactose per tablet and the tablet is administered 2 times a day. It will give you 100 into 2, that is 200 mg. Maximum daily intake is also called as maximum daily intake MDI for the oral products, and it varies with product MDD and the new approvals. So this is regarding the MD. Now active versus inactive. Ingredient roles, like some ingredients are there, like mannitol is there, PEG is there, polyethylene glycol, alcohol is there, which can serve as active and inactive. So inactive listings, IID list only those declared inactive by the manufacturer. That means the list is only for the inactive levels. Then reactants in the radiopharm kits or transport facilitators remain the inactive. Now contaminants. What are contaminants? So IID does not list contaminants found in the approved products. Then CAS number. So CAS number is a chemical abstract service registry number. Unique ID for the substance, no inherent chemical meaning, and it facilitates for the search. It facilitates cross database searches for the inactive levels. Then UNII, this is unique ingredient identifier. It is provided by the USP, FDA, SRS. SRS database is there. You can go there. You can visit the SRS database and you can understand and learn about the UNII. If you put there like lactose and search, it provides you the UNII number. It is also provided in the IIG database or IID database. It is generated from the molecular structure or descriptive method. Then required for the SPL labeling, NA if ingredient is a formulated product. This is regarding the UNII. Now database updates and the downloads. So this database is updated and with the new limits updated quarterly, and it can be downloaded as a text and Excel. It includes IID field descriptions and database download files. So this is regarding the information and basics about the IIG and IID. Whenever you want to develop the formulation, you want to use any excipient, you should check the limit which is approved, and beyond that you should not use. Always understand about the maximum daily dose of the product, and based on that you can use the excipients. I hope you will use the IIG database to understand more, and this video will help you to understand the basics. Thank you for watching the video, and please do like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.